Is the Insta360 X5 genuinely worth upgrading to from the X4, or is this another incremental release that looks more impressive in marketing than in real-world use? That question sits at the center of the current conversation around Insta360's latest flagship. On the surface, the X5 does not radically reinvent the formula. Instead, it takes a more deliberate approach, refining the areas that matter most to long-term creators. Understanding whether those refinements justify the upgrade requires looking beyond headline specs and focusing on how the camera evolves the overall experience. Visually, the Insta360 X5 remains closely aligned with the X4. The dual-lens layout, compact vertical body, and general proportions feel intentionally familiar, preserving the identity of the pocket-sized 360 lineup. Subtle changes, however, reveal a more mature design philosophy. The front panel trades ribbing for a geometric texture, while the rear touchscreen grows slightly, improving visibility and usability outdoors. These refinements do not aim to attract attention, but to reduce friction during everyday use, reinforcing the idea that the X5 is an evolution rather than a reinvention. One of the most significant upgrades comes in durability. The X5 carries an IP68 rating and is waterproof to 49 feet without a case, a notable improvement over the previous generation. This immediately expands its usefulness for water-based activities and adverse weather conditions. Even more impactful is the introduction of user-replaceable lenses. Rather than treating lens damage as a catastrophic failure, Insta360 reframes it as routine maintenance. This single change dramatically lowers long-term ownership risk and positions the X5 as a more serious tool for high-impact environments. While maximum video resolutions remain unchanged, the X5 benefits from larger image sensors that subtly improve output quality. Low-light performance is more controlled, particularly in the new Pure Video mode, which prioritizes cleaner shadows and reduced noise. Dynamic range also sees modest improvement, offering more flexibility when shooting in mixed lighting. These gains are not designed to impress in spec sheets, but to deliver more reliable footage across a wider range of conditions, especially for creators who rely on consistent results rather than perfect lighting setups. Audio capture sees a similar philosophy at work. The redesigned WindGuard improves clarity in challenging conditions without sacrificing voice presence, making onboard audio more dependable. Battery life also improves thanks to a larger 2400 mAh cell and efficiency optimizations. While real-world performance varies by shooting mode, the increased capacity reduces the need for frequent battery swaps and enhances reliability during extended recording sessions. These upgrades may not generate headlines, but they directly impact usability in practical scenarios. The most transformative changes arrive in software. Insta360's updated mobile and desktop apps introduce AI-powered templates that dramatically shorten the path from capture to shareable content. While automated edits can feel stylized, they effectively demonstrate what the platform is capable of. More importantly, the software continues to support deep manual control through keyframing and perspective adjustments. This balance between automation and creative freedom reinforces the brand's shoot first, frame later philosophy, making complex 360 storytelling more accessible without limiting advanced users. The Insta360 X5 positions itself as a refinement-focused release that prioritizes reliability, durability, and workflow efficiency. For existing X4 owners who primarily shoot in controlled environments, the upgrade may not feel urgent. However, creators who push their gear harder or value long-term resilience, improved low-light performance, extended battery life, and a more capable editing ecosystem will find the X5 to be a meaningful step forward. For newcomers, it stands as the most complete consumer 360 camera currently available, offering unmatched versatility in a compact form. The X5 does not attempt to overwhelm with radical change. Instead, it strengthens the foundation that made the series successful. That measured approach may be its greatest strength. The question now is simple. Does this refined versatility justify the jump, or is the X4 still enough for current needs? The answer depends entirely on how far the camera is expected to go.